Hi, this is Reed Shook, President of CoreTigo Inc., and I'm excited to be leading our North American efforts to bring wireless communications to industrial customers, specifically designed for plant floor machinery and automation. Yeah, CoreTigo's wireless capabilities are really applicable to all industries. However, there are specific industries that have been at the forefront of taking advantage of the technology. Some of those are the packaging industries for consumer goods, also in the area of assembly, where cables get in the way and wireless becomes the right solution for those applications. CoreTigo has worked with the IO-Link Consortium to develop the first wireless technology designed specifically for plant floor machinery and automation. Yeah, in addition to IO-Link wireless and wireless capabilities for the plant floor, CoreTigo is working with customers to develop device edge and machinery edge capabilities that allow companies to perform predictive analytics, artificial intelligence, do pre-processing before sending information to the cloud. So really trying to work directly with machine builders and end user customers to solve challenges that they have now in their IoT strategy. So I worked for Rockwell for over 35 years, and in that time, I saw the need to leverage partnerships, and CoreTigo is a perfect example of a company that's bringing an enabling technology to Rockwell that Rockwell and other partners in the Rockwell ecosystem can leverage to bring more value to customers.